Hello. Today we're playing in
B-Swarm.
B-Swarm, I guess, is what Jack said.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said.
Yeah. You know,
Ooh. Yeah,
not
but
actually
B-Swarm
right.
simulators
Huh?
new trend.
B-Swarm. Yeah, apparently. So, yeah, we're playing B-Swarm. We're gonna go.
Are you going on your Predator?
No. Actually, we could. Let's do that.
Oh,
Yeah,
stop.
because I
my
can't.
Alright, private server it is.
You have to go in the private server.
Can do the private server. How many Robux do I have? 300. Servers. Join. Okay, servers. You have to go to servers. What, no, you have to go back. B-Swarm. Go down. B-Swarm. And then you'll go press
It's
servers.
loaded. It's loaded.
And then go down. Server. No. Up. Servers. Go down. Join.
Okay.
No,
So I'm also in. I'm gonna get some.
Yeah.
He's way better.
Jack, I'm better than you, Connor.
Yeah, you're better than everybody. I'm
Okay.
better than
So there's
better than
Scott.
Boston.
That's
I'm
Jack.
gonna do
He's part of the YouTube channel too.
No, I'm not in yet.
Oh, you're not? Oh.
Okay. Well, I'm.
Now
I
he's
suck
in.
at this.
No, he's in.
So that's his. Private server.
Oh, I forgot to go collect honey from the club.
Honey.
Nice.
Roblox.
Okay.
Yeah, do you want to join them? Your YouTube channel.
Yeah, you guys want to be in it?
No, not you. Sorry.
Oh, theirs. Oh, ours isn't good enough.
No, yours is. Just that.
Oh, you want to help them get more started?
No, it's just I want to play with them.
Oh.
I'm gonna be in YouTube.
You can be in YouTube. Ah, shoot, the rhino beat us. Kill him. This way.
Do you think rhino bees are a problem?
Kind of. I'll just wait till my beat.
Wait
I'll
till
just.
you get werewolves. Yeah. Wait till you get the werewolves.
A Bucci? What's a Bucci?
They're very, not super hard now for me.
And whales do have
I only have 1,000.
or they can kill you with
Oh, I have about 500,000.
Well, I have only 1,000.
Sorry, I need to.
So yeah, guys, we're playing B-Swarm. So
I know that.
yeah, I know. Alrighty, so we're gonna collect some honey, try and get to the next bee, try and unlock it.
Destroy
Wait,
join
do I
our
have
private
it? No,
server.
I don't have it.
Jack, get some royal gels.
Oh yeah, Jack, I can help you get royal jellies.
Oh yeah, there's tons you can get. Okay, he can.
I didn't even know what it was. Well, it really.
No,
it
do the
can-
mushroom one. That's
Yeah,
the
mushroom.
easiest.
Oh yeah, the mushroom one is definitely the easiest one. And then you can transform your bee into something like really good. Right?
So glitchy.
Jump up
there.
I know.
Get up there.
So my bee's gonna make honey for
It's
me.
really
Good
easy.
bees,
parkour.
good bees.
Can't believe you have 3 legendaries. And you only have that.
Okay, which way?
Like how?
What?
You are so lucky. I have 0 legendaries, and I have it.
Wait,
filled
he
up
has
with
the
it.
demon bee.
Me?
After that, 2 HQs though.
What's in the red HQ?
Colin. I'm full on. Okay, I know it's T22.
best.
On beats.
On bees, no, Jackson and you. No, you. Wait, no, Jack. No.
No, me. Okay. I have both
I need
and
Oh wait, Jax, how do you get more like you know how you have like
I'll show
like
you
I have like 150?
Yeah.
How do you get like up to like 3 million?
I'll show you what a werewolf is.
He has to go all the way up to 25.
Huh? Huh?
He goes all the way up to 25.
Yeah, look at this werewolf.
How is yours so much?
Right when I
though?
enter,
How
it's
is yours
gonna give
so
me a
much?
kind.
Because I'm in the 5 area. Once you get 5 bees, you can come in here
Yeah.
and get more
Look,
stuff.
look at this kind
You can't come
entering.
up here yet.
Nom, nom, nom. Oh, yeah.
That is freaky.
Now, yeah, it has red eyes and it's gonna like jump on you. See, it just jumps like that. He may kill me. No, he's not.
I can get into the 15 game.
I'm just gonna tease him. Yeah, ha 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 ha.
Okay, I've never been
My
into the
bees
15
will kill you
game.
before you
Is there any
kill
royal
me.
jellies you recommend? No. Oh, wait, I know what a royal jelly is. I know it.
Are you guys making a YouTube video right now?
Yeah.
So technically, what I'm saying is getting filmed.
Yep.
Wow, delete this video, please.
No.
Wow, it's
We're not deleting our first gaming video. It's fine.
This video, really?
Yeah, it's fine, guys. We're not deleting.
Yeah, I
You
killed
need
the
to tell them
werewolf.
what you're doing.
I know.
I told them already. We're playing Beast Swarm.
Wait, what?
Over here.
So yeah, we're playing Beast Swarm.
There's a
Having some
real
fun.
jelly over there?
Yeah,
I actually think we're gonna end the video
guys
now.
look at
So